Hello everyone. Today I'm changing the water filter for my Samsung refrigerator. All right, there's a light. It comes on. This is a got two drawers. The bottom, the freezer. All right, let's get to it. There is the filter right there. All you have to do is turn it counterclockwise and then to pull out just like that. Okay, and then I ordered on Amazon, or you guys can order on eBay. Just type in the numbers here. It's got the numbers you can type in. On Amazon or eBay, this will come out. It's a sticker for the month, a year. Then you unwrap it and open the cap. All you have to do is take the old one out, put on the side, and put the one in. And twist it in like that. You hear a click. Then this stowed away, and close it, and then hold this for maybe a few seconds. And then it should come off. It's just I think it's a holder here. That's it. Right there. Hold it for 3 seconds. Now, take the bucket or you just flush the filter out like that. See water. You just have to do this a few times, and that's it. Good to go for a while. I'm gonna use a today is February, so I'm gonna use a sticker here. And that should be it. But thank you for watching. Thumbs up.